Ever wondered why gym goers are always gulping down protein shakes? Or why bodybuilders swear by a high-protein diet? It's not just about building muscle. Protein, the building block of our bodies, plays a vital role in almost every biological process. It's a popular nutrient among fitness enthusiasts and health-conscious individuals alike. From weight management to muscle recovery, protein has earned its reputation as a dietary powerhouse. So, what exactly makes protein so important? Let's dive into the meat of the matter. Protein is a vital component of every cell in our body. It's like the building blocks helping to repair and grow our muscles. Ever felt sore after a good workout? That's your body calling for protein to mend those worked out tissues. And let's not forget about weight loss. A high-protein diet can boost your metabolism, helping you burn more calories even while you're resting. But it's not just about burning calories, it's also about feeling full. Protein helps control our appetite by increasing feelings of fullness, reducing hunger levels, and even limiting those late-night snack cravings. So whether you're looking to bulk up, slim down, or just maintain a healthy weight, a high-protein diet could be your ticket. But remember, balance is key. Too much of anything can be harmful, and protein is no exception. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows when it comes to high-protein diets. Stay tuned to find out why. Like everything else in life, too much of a good thing can backfire. Yes, that's right. Even when it comes to protein. While a high-protein diet can be beneficial, there's a flip side to the protein coin that we need to talk about. Overloading on protein can potentially put a strain on your kidneys, especially if you already have kidney issues. And then there's the risk of nutrient deficiencies. When you're so focused on protein, you might skimp on other essential nutrients like fiber or certain vitamins. And let's not forget the potential for high saturated fat intake. Many protein-rich foods also come packed with saturated fats, which in excess can contribute to heart disease. So, while protein is undoubtedly a powerhouse nutrient, it's not the be-all and end-all. It's about balance, folks. Too much of anything is rarely a good idea. So it seems a balanced approach might be the best way forward. Remember, everybody is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. Before embarking on a high-protein journey, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider or nutritionist. They can provide tailored advice taking into account your personal health history and lifestyle. This way, you can enjoy the benefits of a high-protein diet while minimizing potential risks. We're curious to hear about your experiences with high-protein diets. Share your stories in the comments below.